Internet radio has always been a popular project for ESP32. You can easily find your favorite radio streams, put them into the code and end up with cheap, great sounding internet radio. There are many similar ESP32 projects out there, but none of them looks as good as mine. You probably recognize this design, something many of us remember from childhood, at least for me. In this video I will show you how to use this inexpensive $15 ESP32 board to build one, where to find stream links for your favorite radio stations, and how to modify it and make it sound even better. When I first received this board, I thought it was, I don't know, nothing special. 240 by 240 display, 3 push buttons. This is version with touch screen, SD card slot, but really nothing special. But then I tried the audio example, and I realized the sound was much better and louder that we usually get from these kind of boards. The reason for that is the speaker they recently started to use, and of course this is board you can find inside, and also reason is this IC. This is amp IC NS4150B, and of course here we also have audio codec chip, in this case ES8311. So I decided to make internet radio. Let's take a closer look and let's get a copyright strike. So 3 push buttons. I decided not to use touchscreen because 3 buttons are enough for that, and version without touchscreen is cheaper. So 3 push buttons. With this I can change volume. Volume is also shown here, and it is pretty loud. With this I can change station. This is some kind of club music, some classic stream, and of course Banovina station from Croatia, hillbilly station. Here I can see a song that is currently playing. Here I can see strength of my Wi-Fi signal. Here is bitrate. Higher the bitrate, better qualities. And that's practically it. Here are my stations, and it is very easy to modify that part in code and use your own station. I will show you where you can find practically every radio stream in world. Board comes in this case, and there is enough space inside for this large battery, 1000 milliamp hours. For example, right now here is that battery, and using first button I can turn off the board. Actually I will just put it to sleep, so it will still drain this battery a bit. With same button I can wake board again. But what I wanted to say, there is plenty space inside, so you don't need to use this built-in microphone, which works great. You can use something bigger. For example, this one. So instead of battery, you can place here better speaker, or you can connect your external speaker. This is speaker from PC speakers, and it will sound even better because this board output 3 watts of power, and that is basically same power you can get from regular PC speakers. Or if you want amplify your signal even more, I built this. So this is connector, and here is connector for 3.5mm audio jack. Keep in mind that this signal is already amplified, so you will need to decrease a bit, so I installed this voltage divider here. So there is plenty space for playing, for hacking, for having fun when you have something larger. You can put here, I don't know, physical on-off switch, which would be better solution. There is SD card reader here, so you can make MP3 player. Very good board for audio tasks. And now let's see how to modify my code and how to use your own links. Here is code, and like always I will share my code. This is pure user interface, is built by using pure code with lots of drawing functions like I did a few years ago. So without LVGL and SquareLine Studio and other software, you will need only few libraries. You can find them here. So these are my libraries. I'm using ESP32 Audio I2S 3.4.0. Don't use higher version than this. GFX library for Arduino 1.6.0. Lovian GFX latest version, and Wi-Fi multi latest version. I'm using ESP32 boards version 3.3.4, and here you need to use as board ESP32S3, 8 megabytes of RAM, partition share 8 megabytes, enable PS RAM, and that is practically it. Here are your links for your stations, radio station streams. You can put more here, but first you need to change this number. So maximum number of streams is in this version 9, and here we have only 6. And how to find those links? On this site fmstreams.org you can find streams by genre, by town, I don't know, by country, by music type, by I don't know. And when you find, for example, some good station, keep in mind that to use higher bit rate, 129 for example, and your link will be here. So just copy this. Thank you. I hope you like this internet radio. I hope many of you will use this. Feel free to use and modify my code. Have a nice day and enjoy listening your favorite stations. Goodbye.